Hello students. Yesterday and the day before yesterday we did some problems on factor theorem and remainder theorem. Okay. Today we are going to start a new topic, that is factorization. What is that? Factorization. Factorization. What is factorization? Split the given polynomial. Split the given polynomial. Suppose x plus 1. What is x plus 1? It is a linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. So for linear polynomial, how many factors will be there? Only 1. Why? Here x power is 1. X power is 1. The number of factors depends on the degree of the given polynomial. Okay? Here the degree of polynomial is 1. Therefore, the number of factors are 1 here. Next one, ax square plus bx plus c. What is this? It is a quadratic polynomial. What is that? Quadratic polynomial. For quadratic polynomial, how many factors will be there? 2 factors. 2 factors. 2 factors. What is the degree of polynomial? 2. Therefore, 2. The number of factors depends on the highest degree of the polynomial. Next, x cube, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. It is cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. The number of factors are 3 factors. Suppose ax to the power of 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e is 4th ordered polynomial. 4th ordered polynomial, the number of factors are 4. And so on. Ax to the power of n plus bx to the power of n minus 1 plus cx to the power of n minus 2 plus dx to the power of n minus 3 and so on. The last term is k, it is constant. Okay. So the number of factors for this general form of a polynomial is n factors are there. Okay. How many factors? N factors. N factors. Okay. The number of factors depends on its degree, the degree of polynomial. Okay. Now, today we are going to learn about the factors, finding the factors of a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Here, suppose ax square plus bx plus c. It is a quadratic polynomial. The general form of a quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. So to find the factors for this quadratic polynomial, we have to follow some rules. So using those rules, we can find the factors. Okay. So the first rule is step 1. Step 1. Write the quotient of x square. Write the quotient of x square. Next, step 2. Take the constant. Step 3. What is step 3? Find the product of the quotient of x square and constant. Okay. So find the product of the quotient of x square and constant. Quotient of x square is, what is the quotient of x square? A. What is constant? C. So the product of A and C, A into C is equal to AC. Okay. Next, step 4. Step 4. Take the middle term. Take the middle term. Next, step 5. What is step 5? Write the factors of the product of AC. Okay, write the factors of the product of AC. So we have to find the factors for this AC. Step 6. You take the factors from AC. After that you take any two factors then you take the factors from AC. After that you take any two factors, and here what we have to learn, if the sum or difference of those two factors you must get the middle term. Step 7. Split the middle term. Split the middle term. Next, step 8. Make the group. These group factors are nothing but the factors of the given polynomial. See here, factorization. The general form of a quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. To find the factors of the given quadratic polynomial, we have to follow some rules. Those rules are: first rule, step 1, write the quotient of x square. Step 2, take the constant. Step 3, find the product of the quotient of x square and constant, that is a into c is equal to ac. Step 4, take the middle term. Step 5, write the factors of the product of AC, that means these two. Next, step 6, you take the factors from AC. After that you take any two factors from those factors. If the sum or difference of those two factors, you must get the middle term. That is the condition. Step 7, split the middle term, and step 8, make the group. So these are the rules we have to follow to get the factors. Okay. For example, write the factors or find the factors of x square plus or 3x square plus 5x plus 2. Okay, 3x square plus 5x plus 2. So find the factors of this polynomial. It is a quadratic polynomial. The number of factors depends on the highest degree of the polynomial. Here the degree of polynomial is 2. Therefore the number of factors are 2 here. Okay, 2 factors we have to get. Now, according to the rules, the first one is take the quotient of x square and constant. coefficient of x square is 3. Coefficient of x square is 3. Next, constant. What is constant? 2. Constant is 2. Next, find the product of these two. Product. What is the product? 3 into 2. That is equal to 6. Next step, middle term. What is the middle term? 5x. Next, write the factors of 6. Factors of 6. What are the factors of 6? 1 into 6. 6. 2 into 3. 6. Okay. Now, from these factors, we have to take any one. If the sum or difference of any two factors, you must get the middle term. Okay. The sum or difference of any two factors, we must get the middle term. So here 1 plus 6 is 7. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. So here what is the middle term? 5x. What is the coefficient of x? Plus 5. So we never get 5 here. 1 plus 6 is 7. So this is not equal to 5. 1 minus 6 is equal to minus 5. So this is also not equal to plus 5. Okay. Next you take other one. 2, 3. So 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. The middle term is also 5. So these two are equal. So we have to write this 5x. That means we have to split the middle term using these factors. Therefore, this can be written as 3x square plus 5x plus 2. This is the given problem. Then we have to split the middle term by using the factors. So 3x square plus 5x can be written as 3x plus 2x. By using these two, we get the total problem. See here how it is. First one, x into x square. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 3x plus 2x, 5x. Middle term is 5x. So 3x plus 2x is 5x. X into x is x square. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Middle term. So total problem depends on the splitting of the factors. Plus 2. Now 3x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 2. Now you take the first part and second part. Okay. So in the first part can be written as 3 into x into x plus 3 into x plus 2x can be written as 2 into x plus 2 can be written as, that is constant, 2 can be written as 2 into 1. Now from the first part, what are the common factors? Here 3 and here 3. Next x. So 3x is the common factor. What is the remainder? X is the remainder. Plus here 3x came out. Then the remainder is 1. So x plus 1 is the first factor. Next second part. In the second part, what are the common factors? Here 2 and here 2. So only 2 is the common factor. Then you take out 2 is the common factor. Write the remainder. Here x plus 1 here. So x plus 1. So whatever the factor here we are getting here in the first, the same factor we should get here also. That means these two must be equal. Okay. Then only we did right. Right. So x plus 1 and here x plus 1. So from these two we have to take out 1 is the common factor, x plus 1. Next one, remainder, first remainder is 3x here and second remainder is plus 2. So x plus 1 into 3x plus 2 or 3x plus 2 into x plus 1. These are the factors of the given quadratic polynomial 3x square plus 5x plus 2. Okay, understood children? Thank you.